Did you know that there are over 400 species of parrots in the world? These incredible birds can mimic human speech and have a lifespan of up to 80 years. Parrots are not just beautiful, they are also highly intelligent and social creatures. They love to play and can form strong bonds with their human companions. Did you know that some species of parrots can learn to associate words with their meanings? They can be great companions for families. Baby parrots, called chicks, are born without feathers and rely on their parents for food and warmth. Watching them grow is a magical experience. Parrots are known for their playful personalities and love for music. Many can even dance to the rhythm of your favorite tunes. Visiting a wildlife sanctuary allows you to meet these amazing birds up close and even learn more about their conservation. Did you know that some parrots can live in flocks of up to 30 birds? They communicate using a variety of